all the animals. All right, let's start with the giraffe.
Giraffe.
Good job. Crocodile.
Where the crocodile go?
Yeah, where does the crocodile go?
Where the crocodile go? Where the crocodile go?
Good job. The rhino.
No, belly.
The sea turtle.
The sea turtle.
Say sea turtle.
Sea turtle.
Where does the sea turtle go? Is that the rhino? Where's the rhino go? Right there.
See a tiger.
What's that?
See a tiger.
Tiger? Where's the tiger go? There you go. What's next?
See me an elephant.
What's that? An elephant?
See an elephant. Zoom, rabbit. Zoom, rabbit.
A rabbit?
Rabbit. Zoom, a parrot.
Parrot? Okay.
Show me the monkey. Show me the monkey.
Monkey?
Show me the lion.
This is lion?
Show me the zebra.
Zebra?
Show me the hippopotamus.
Hippopotamus? You did it! Look at you got all the animals in there. Good job. You wanna go dump them out?
Okay. So that I'll do it. Video. Subscribe.